Welcome back to Houston Life. The Hilton Americas Hotel downtown is once again bringing the holiday cheer and lots of sugar to Houstonians as well as visitors this holiday season.
Yeah, this hotel, they are known for it. Their famous life-size chocolate display is back and sweeter than ever this year with a night before Christmas themed display. Lauren Kelly is giving us an up-close look at this sweet holiday tradition with the sweet minds behind it. And Lauren, I'm so curious, how long does it take these guys to put this all together every year?
Oh. You know, Derek, that is a great question. We're going to jump right on into that. But if you've never been down to the Hilton Americas Houston to see this display, it is going to be right here on display through December the 26th. And these two guys, these two chefs, we've been here the last few years. Chef Mahesh, Chef Weerasinghe. I first want to tell our viewers how long you've been creating a display that's this big and this massive.
Overall, it's been about 20 years. 19 to be exact, for the holiday display.
And this is so great. I do feel like it gets bigger and better every year. Chef, the question on everybody's mind is, well, it's chocolate. Can we eat that?
Well, actually, you can eat it, but we've lacquer sprayed it just to keep it and preserve it, so I don't.
So don't eat it. If you are coming to this hotel, do not eat the display, okay? There's lots of sticky things on it that make it shiny and colorful.
Exactly.
We don't recommend eating.
Yes, okay. We don't.
So first of all, you're the pastry chef here at the hotel, but it's not only you and Chef Weerasinghe that put this together. You've got an incredible team with you too.
Yes, I do have an incredible team who worked like long hours for almost three months to get this done.
3 months to get it done. Yes. Congratulations, team, on a job well done. You did so incredible this year. They do a great job every year. But let's talk about that. How long? You said about 3 months to kind of put everything together. But then how long does it take for you to set the display up?
Well, normally it takes one and a half days, but this year we had everything done ahead of time, so it took only like a half a day for us to do it.
You say it like it's nothing. Like, oh, it only took half a day to set this up, right, Chef Weerasinghe? It's like, that looks like it took a lot longer.
It really did. It's a lot of work, you know.
The details.
Work of love.
Absolutely,
right?
A labor of love.
Exactly, labor of love, I should say. You know, this is something that we do not just for the hotel, but we do it for the city because we want people to come to our hotel to see what we got and also just enjoy the season with us.
It really helps the holiday season. Now, I want to get into a few of those details. How much dark chocolate, white chocolate icing are we talking here?
So probably around 1,000 pounds of dark chocolate and then 800 pounds of white chocolate and a lot of icing, of course, gingerbread. The whole house is covered with gingerbread dough, so close to 250, 300 pounds of gingerbread too.
And 500 pounds of icing. I'm just reading the display.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Well, the numbers we have it actually given before we do the.
So you may end up with even more.
More, exactly.
Depending on how much of it you eat while creating it, right, Chef?
That's right.
I'm sure many people ask you how much chocolate you actually consume while putting this together. Are you kind of sick of chocolate by now?
Well, yeah, all of us in pastry, we deal with chocolate every day, so we don't want to eat anymore. We just taste them.
What's your favorite part about this display, Chef?
Well, listen, my favorite part of this is for us to get together and determine what we're going to do for the year, right? So we need to look at what are kids about, right, this year. And we want to do something that when they come, they can be excited about, right? And my chocolate architect, do you know that his name is Chocolate Architect?
Chocolate Architect, Chef Mahesh? Okay.
That's my nickname for him now. No, we're really, really lucky to have him.
Yeah.
It's one of the best in the city, and in my view, is the best in the city, period.
That's incredible. You guys are both so wonderful. Thank you for all the hard work and your team that you put into this display at the Hilton Americas downtown this year. But we're not done. We've got a lot more to talk about because there's some great things that you can do. Bring the family here at the hotel. We'll get into more details of that chocolate display. But in the meantime, I'm going to find some chocolate that I can actually eat now, Derek and Tessa. I'm on a mission, but I'll catch you guys in just a bit.
Yeah, and the tragedy in all this is they get so sick of the chocolate that they don't want to eat it for a while. That's heartbreaking.
I know. Hurts my heart.
I'd be like, one for the display, one for me. One for the display, one for me.
Lauren Kelly, we love all the sweet deets. Now go find yourself a treat, and then we'll get back to you soon. Still to
know if you guys can tell that we're already having a very holiday fun time here at the Hilton Americas Houston downtown. Now, if you've never been here over the holidays, it is magnificent. The entire hotel is dressed up with some beautiful decor, and smack dab right in the middle of the lobby is their huge life-size chocolate display. Now, we talked a little bit about it before, but Chef Mahesh, as the pastry chef here, people always want to know, how long did it take you to put this all together?
Well, we started around June, July to get it going, and then close to 2 to 3 months,
A couple
of course.
months.
Yes.
And then a couple days, though, to set it all up in the
Set it up,
lobby.
yes,
Right.
exactly, yes.
Now, my next question is, how do you come up with the theme? This year's theme, the night before Christmas, but how do you come up with that theme every year? Is it a big ask for everybody on the team?
That's exactly right.
Okay.
We did that just like last year. We did that this year, and then a lot of votes came towards this one, so we went with it.
Well, you guys, the entire team did a fantastic job. It's on display through December 26th, but also, Chef Rufi, you guys have some incredible things happening here at the hotel. I really want people to know it's one of those destinations where families can come and really enjoy the holidays, even if they're staying as a staycation, right?
Absolutely. So talk about a holiday, right?
Yeah.
So the first thing that we have is actually Thanksgiving, right?
Oh, I forgot about Thanksgiving.
Okay, so I want to talk about that very quickly.
Okay.
Come join us for Thanksgiving.
Okay.
We have a fantastic brunch here for Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Now let's go into
Now
the
let's skip
Christmas,
Thanksgiving
right?
and jump into Christmas.
Let's go into Christmas, right?
Okay.
So again, for Christmas, we're going to be featuring Breakfast with Santa.
Oh, yes.
You know, and we call it Breakfast with Santa. Really, it's like brunch. You know,
Okay.
we have an array of different kinds of breakfast options. We have some savory options. We have a full dessert that you can enjoy and stuff like that, right?
Oh, yeah.
And so bring the family,
Okay.
you know, enjoy it. And it starts from December 7th
Okay.
all the way through the 22nd of December.
Okay, so
right?
just before Christmas.
Just before Christmas. And this is just going to be on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays.
Okay, all
Right?
right, all right.
So come in and enjoy that. And also, we will have additional selfie session.
Well, you
that-
guys
that-
just saw. I was just
Uh-huh.
showing our viewers the selfie station.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we want people to come into the hotel, you know, sit by the selfie, take some pictures.
Yeah.
Bring your family. When you bring your family for the events, you know, sit by the selfie station, take some pictures there.
It makes a very good holiday card.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. Something to keep,
Yes.
you know, for years to come, right? And it is the season package
Yes.
as well that we have in the hotel. We have different kinds of packages,
Okay.
you know, that includes things that we give away, you know, the Discovery Park
Oh,
where you can
yeah.
go. We have Chef Mahesh is going to do some gingerbread cookies that we're going to give away.
Okay, I'm going to sign up for this package specifically because I just want Chef Mahesh to make me some gingerbread cookies. I know you guys have been here, but if you haven't, one quick look behind us, the holiday decor. This makes me feel like I'm out of town. I feel like I'm walking through the holiday streets of New York, right? Like, that's how beautiful it is.
It is really. I mean, this is why, as you can tell, we're getting into this season
Yeah.
earlier and earlier every year, right?
And that's why we need the extra time to celebrate.
we just love it. We
Well,
love it.
you guys, Chef Rufi, Chef Mahesh, happy holidays. Thank you for sharing
you.
this with our viewers. I'm going to put a link up for everything at HoustonLife.tv. But still, this is what you need. This is the showstopper. This display is going to be up through December the 26th, all chocolate. I can't get enough of it. It's just exquisite. So thank you and your team again for sharing
Well,
it.
thank
It's
you for
awesome.
coming out.
Absolutely.
Come out, Houston.
Come out,
see
Houston.
us.
Listen to what he said. Come
us.
see us. All right, Derek and
All right.
Tessa, back to you guys in Studio B.
It's such good stuff, Lauren. My mom is coming to Houston tomorrow. That's going to be one of our first stops.
I know. It's like, fine, twist my arm. I'll go have a chocolate martini by the chocolate display.
Why not?
No problem.
You only live once. Thanks, Lauren.
Thanks, Lauren.
Yeah.